In today's budget-conscious world, a reliable and inexpensive blender is a kitchen essential. Now, get ready to discover the top 5 affordable blenders that deliver quality without breaking the bank in this video. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information, and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. NutriBullet Blender. This 250W motor base is a true magician, capable of chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, grinding, and so much more. With its high torque power, it effortlessly turns ordinary ingredients into extraordinary meals and snacks. The set includes a cross-blade tall and short cups, a party mug, lip rings, stay fresh resealable lids, and even a to-go lid for your convenience. Whether you're crafting smoothies, omelets, sauces, or dips, this compact blender is your secret weapon in the kitchen. Plus, there's a 10-second recipe guide to inspire your culinary adventures. Say goodbye to kitchen hassles and hello to quick, easy, and delicious dishes. You'll find everything from appetizers to desserts at your fingertips. It's the perfect tool to make your culinary dreams come true. Number 2. Black & Decker Blender. This blender offers you unparalleled control with 10 speed settings, including a convenient pulse function. No matter what you're making, you can find the perfect consistency with ease. The 5-cup glass jar is not only a breeze to handle, but also features a perfect pour spout, which means no more messy drips and spills. And when you're done blending, cleanup couldn't be simpler. Every removable part is dishwasher safe, making your post-blending routine a snap. But what truly sets this blender apart is its impressive power. With a peak performance of 550 watts, it can effortlessly handle even the toughest ingredients. And for those extended blending sessions, it maintains a steady 350 watts of power. Whether you're whipping up silky smoothies, hearty soups, or delectable sauces, the Black & Decker blender provides the strength and versatility you need. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations and hello to a new level of culinary convenience with the Black & Decker blender. Number 3. GE 1000 Watts Blender. With its impressive 1000-watt motor, this blender offers the performance you need for a wide range of blending tasks. From crushing ice to pureeing frozen fruits, and even creating silky smooth sauces and soups, it's a versatile powerhouse. Customization is at your fingertips with the 5-speed settings, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency for your culinary creations. Plus, there's a pulsing option for that extra touch of control. The GE blender boasts a generous 64-ounce blender jar, saving you time by accommodating larger batches, perfect for serving 7 to 9 portions of your favorite drinks and smoothies in one go. The blender's strength lies not only in its motor, but also in its blades. With a combination of 6 serrated blades and 2 knife-edge blades, it easily breaks down ingredients, ensuring every sip bursts with flavor and nutrition. What sets this blender apart is its vortex action. By creating a vacuum at the center of the jar, it pulls ingredients toward the middle, ensuring thorough and efficient blending. Number 4. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor. With a powerful 1200 peak watt motor, it effortlessly tackles heavy loads without stalling, meaning no more frustrating interruptions to stir or shake your ingredients. The Ninja SS101 features 6 versatile functions, offering one-touch blending, pulsing, and more. Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of drink making, thanks to intelligent programs that combine time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns, doing the work for you. What makes this unit truly exceptional is its dual functionality. It serves as both a nutrient extractor and a smoothie bowl maker. The nutrient extraction cup ensures smoother extractions, ideal for vitamin and nutrient-rich drinks. Meanwhile, the 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker produces thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, and it's incredibly convenient to store or take on the go. With its 2 blender cups and 1 bowl, complete with 2 go cups and lids. Plus, you get a 15-recipe inspiration guide to spark your culinary creativity. Number 5. NutriBullet ZNBF 30500Z Blender. This blender combo brings you the best of both worlds, with a multi-serving pitcher and a single serve cup. With 1200 watts of power at your fingertips, you have full control over your culinary creations. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, sauces, or nut butters, this blender handles it all effortlessly. It features 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, all easily accessible with the press of a button. What sets this blender apart is the innovative easy twist extractor blade made from powerful stainless steel. Combined with cyclonic action, it ensures thorough blending and extraction. The package includes a 64 ounces blender with a vented lid cap, a 32 ounces cup, a 24 ounces cup, and 2 to-go lids, offering versatility to your blending needs. Cleaning is a breeze, just place the pitcher and cups in the dishwasher and rinse the easy twist extractor blades with soap and water. With its user-friendly features, this blender is hassle-free and easy to maintain. Elevate your culinary experience with the NutriBullet ZNBF 30000. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.